Welcome back. Tear into a look at some of the rust issues here, so better light. I already bought a heater channel, the section in the front piece, so it's right up into there. I do a little archaeology now too. I found a Partner's Garage in Huntington. That's who used to service the car for. Little mileage binder in here. Take a peek. Looks like a 1986 Service Master. Put that back in there. Same place, 1987, Partners. You got a bracket down there too, looks like for an equalizer. I asked Debbie about it and she doesn't remember what it is, so it's not factory, so I'm going to take that out, fill in the holes. There's a bunch of stuff in here before. I showed everyone the paperwork from the original dealer. First video, Saker Motors, but there's a whole bunch of other goodies in there. We'll take a look at what's in there. Got to clean it out anyway. Okay, we got that all cleaned out. Still some cigarette butts in the ashtray. Now cigarettes. Shame on you, Debbie, for smoking. Look at all this stuff. Some of the things I was actually looking for. Knobs for the doors. They were unscrewed so nobody would use a coat hanger and break into your car, so we could put them back on. Sacred Heart Auto League. There's a spot on the glove box door where this was stuck to, so that'll find its way back onto that. Can opener from TSS, 39 cents. A whistle. Cover for the fuse box, I was looking for that too. Cap for the wheel, I needed that. Then I found this bag. Let me turn the camera up. NOS parts in the bag. 2 center caps and 3 lug nut caps from Walters Donaldson Volkswagen. They're still in business, but they are no longer in Hicksville. That's their old address. That was from 6/29/87. $7.18. What a bargain. Touch of paint. I saw this before. Disaster driving. 1981. The bag says AudioVox, but the radio in there now is a Sanyo, so I don't know what this was from. Oh, custom built Volkswagen radio. There's the wiring diagram. Oh, that's cool. Fuller Brush Company anti-fog cloth. Eyeshadow applicators. And here was the bag, the little trash bag. But when I looked in here, I found a couple of things. I found Wanta Mazda. That's the car that she bought to replace this. It was a MX-6. Hey, Bob. Hope you're okay. And a receipt from Dunkin' Donuts. What's the date? Oh, yeah. 9/23/87. How much was a cup of coffee? 68 cents. Thank you. Lug nut, I was looking for that. Got that. A little swatch of cloth. I'm not sure what that's for. Some other random stuff. Oh boy. Install these right now. And a seat adjuster knob. Needed that also. That one down there is missing. That looks like it might be for the rear seat, that little luggage strap. Let me go see if it matches up with the one in there. Maybe not. But what's this? Vodka. Let's see. Ooh, still some in there. Cheers. We'll put that back in the bag. We'll have a toast when the car hits the road again with it.